Hello everybody. In this video we will learn that how we can create downhill roads with Unity. So downhill or off-road environments are quite fun in Unity. So we can achieve that task by using an asset called Path Painter. So let's create a train. So we will create a Gaia train, and you already know how to create a simple train as well. So we will go with Gaia. So let's go to window, procedural word Gaia manager, and here I have selected 512 meters square, so the smaller train, and then we can create train and show stamper. And from Gaia we will get our stamps and we will choose the stamps. So for example, we want a hilly environment, we can choose hills, and yeah, let's select hills, and we will select some stamper here, and you will see a very big high amount because these stamps are ready for 2 kilometer. Okay, so when we apply these on smaller trains, it will result like this. Okay, so for solving this issue we will decrease the height of this train. So 2 kilometer has the height of, you can see, 5. Okay, so for half kilometer it will be like 2 maybe. Okay, so 2 or 1 point something or 3, whatever you want. So I will add 2. So that's nice. So let's add environment. Let's create road on this environment, and I think it's quite big. Okay, that's fine, because we are just learning this thing. So now we will stamp this. Click on stamp, and the second step is to create spawners. Select coverage, train spawner, and spawn the texture, and textures are spawned, and we can spawn the game objects as well. We can just close this window now. We don't need post processing and other things. We can do that later on as well. So we will spawn the tree, and we will spawn the other trees as well, and then definitely this details. So now our train is ready and we can create our road. So when we select the train here, you will see that we have these textures, 4 textures. Okay, so for pathfinder, the path painter, if we want some other texture we have to add that textures here. Okay, for road, these textures you can see these are applied to train, so we can use some texture from these textures as well. But if we want a separate texture for road, we have to add that texture. So I think I have some textures here. In easy road I have placed, I think so, textures and roads, and resources maybe. Yeah, here I have placed these textures, dirt road, and these some other textures. So if we want some texture we can add this texture. So I will add this mud texture, for example, and yes, this for sides. So we can select the train, we can add a new texture layer, and here we can place this texture. Sorry, why. Actually some things are new here in these new versions of Unity. So sorry. Okay, create layer, we have added this texture and for example this texture. So these two textures are all also added now, so we can apply these textures. So now we will open window and 3D Heaven, path painter. So here you will find these two textures as well. Okay, so for the main road we have these options. So if we click here, now you can see our brush size. So for the main road we can add the number. So for example we want to make it 8, so 8 fits road, that's nice. This is embankment and we can increase or decrease the embankment. Embankment means the sides of this road. Okay, so here we will select the main texture. So for example for road we need this texture, the mid texture, and for this side we need this texture. Okay, so we will select here this side one, and this one is the main texture. Okay, and now we can select the strength and elevation as well. So these are the standard options are fine, and this elevation we can change. So if we make it in minus, it will be in inside the train. Okay, so minus let's make it -2. So now we can create our road. So it's very simple. Now everything is selected, so we can just brush the road like this. Okay, so like this. And path painter is very nice asset. It will add the details and it will get the heights and depths from the train as well. And like this we can create some lap, some circuit. Okay, so now you can see we have created a nice track with use of path painter. Okay, so we can zoom in and you can see the details now. Okay, and definitely if we place some car and if we play the game, it will be look like nice. And these details are quite bad because from these areas we can't move the car because these are too much heights. So we have to fix these problems definitely while creating our main tracks. So for time for this video, our main purpose was to learn that how we can create off-road environments or downhill environments. Okay, so now you can see that this environment is quite nice, and you can see the hilly road like this. Okay, so that's it for this video, and in next video we will start creating our own levels.